In today's video, you will learn how to apply and customize document themes in Microsoft Word. To get started, select the Design tab. This area controls the visual styling of your document rather than the content itself. Once you are in the Design tab, look to the left side and select the Theme button. You will notice a small drop-down arrow that opens a list of available themes. When you click the drop-down, you will see a variety of built-in themes. Each theme applies a coordinated set of fonts, colors, and effects to your document. As you hover over different options, you can preview how each theme changes the appearance of your text instantly. This makes it easy to find a style that fits the tone of your article or project. These themes are designed to be clean and professional, and they work well for most situations right out of the box. You will notice that each theme uses a specific color combination that keeps headings, body text, and accents visually balanced. This helps your document look polished without requiring design experience. If you want more control, you can adjust the colors used by the theme. On the right side, you will find options that allow you to customize color variations. Changing these colors updates the entire document automatically, keeping everything consistent while matching your personal or brand preference. Microsoft Word generally does a good job pairing colors that work well together, so even small adjustments still look cohesive. However, customization gives you flexibility if you need to match a logo, branding guidelines, or a specific visual style. As you apply different themes or color variations, your document updates in real time. This allows you to experiment without committing to anything permanently. If something does not look right, you can simply choose another theme or revert to a different color combination. Using themes is one of the fastest ways to improve the visual quality of a document. It saves time, reduces formatting errors, and ensures that your text looks consistent from start to finish. Once a theme is applied, you can still edit your content freely without affecting the overall design. This is a very straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in how your document is presented. A well-chosen theme can make your work easier to read and more professional. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial video.